Now, the number of young people considering apprenticeships is growing, according to new research. 79% of those surveyed said earning while learning is important.
The idea of large debts is thought to be putting some people off going to university, as James Webster reports.
Melody Falcon from Birmingham is hoping her apprenticeship will be the start of a successful career in engineering.
I didn't feel great about taking on a large student loan and repayments, but with an apprenticeship I earned a salary while gaining the same experience and degree.
She helps maintain medical equipment in hospitals.
I love the fact that it's never the same every day. It's always something different. You're always learning on the job. You could be from one end, be doing lots of different services on, you could say the same equipment, but then the next day you're jumping into an on-call theatre emergency where an anaesthetic machine might not be working properly or a theatre table isn't rising.
Being able to earn while learning is becoming more important for young people. Last year, 54% said it was one of the most important factors in choosing a career. This year in the Midlands, it was 76%. And 68% said they would consider an apprenticeship as an alternative to university.